Hey Cloud family, welcome back to Moomba. In this final part of the series, part 5, I'm going to show you how to update a CloudFront distribution with a domain name. Head over to AWS, CloudFront Distributions, find your distribution ID. Notice that the alternate domain names is blank. Click the ID. On the General tab, under Settings, this is blank. Click Edit. Under Settings, come down to Alternate Domain Name, click Add Item. Enter the first form of your domain name without the www.prefix. Click Add Item, then enter the second entry for your domain name with the www.prefix. Scroll down, click Save Changes. Here it tells us that in order to add an alternate domain name to this distribution, we must attach a trusted certificate that validates our authorization to use the domain name. This basically means that we need to select the certificate that we created earlier. Scroll up. Under the Custom SSL Certificate Selection section, click the drop-down arrow and select the SSL cert. Scroll down. Click Save Changes. Back on the Distributions General tab, notice that it says it's deploying. Here in the settings, we have the alternate domain name and the name of the custom SSL certificate. Copy the distribution domain name by clicking the squares. Head over to GoDaddy DNS Management. Come down and find the CNAME record with the name www. Replace the value with the value that you just copied. Head back over to AWS. Click Save. Jump over. Back on CloudFront Distributions. On the Origins tab, select the origin name. Click Edit. Click the X on the origin domain name. Where it says Use Website Endpoint, click that button and select the form of your website that looks like this, or the domain name that looks like this. Scroll down, click Save Changes. Now we can see that it's deploying. When that's finished, you should see a date here. Click the squares to copy the domain name. Open a new tab, enter the domain name for your website with the www.prefix. And here you can see that the pages, the default page index.html is displayed for my website. Yours will look different, of course. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you in this part, the final part of this series. See you next time.